How to autoplay piano Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can autoplay piano Roblox. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to autoplay piano Roblox, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you may just go up to one of your browsers and type in auto hotkey. After typing in, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen where you'll be finding the link of auto hotkey here. So you're just gonna click on the very first link, that is auto hotkey. After that, you'll be taken to next page. You just need to download the latest version of the auto hotkey. You may just download it, click on download, and wait for the download to be completed. After that, simply hit on install and then wait for the installation to be completed. After that, you need to go to the new script option at the top, and here you need to title it Autoplay Piano Roblox. Just type in Autoplay Piano Roblox on your autoplay piano, just autoplay piano. After that, create it. After it is created, you just need to hit click on that create, and after that is created, a file folder will open up on your screen. You're just gonna wait for it, and here you're just gonna place it to your PC or any of another folders. After that, you need to share it and run a script on that downloaded version, and you need to open up your notepad. You may just connect your notepad and a blank notepad will appear on your screen. After that, you're just gonna copy the prompt that I'm showing on the screen, and after that is done, you're just gonna head over and again run it, and this time in notepad, and click on autoplay. Okay, and again you need to run your script again. After running your script, you just need to enter the keys or song keys that you want to play on your autoplay piano, that you want to autoplay in piano Roblox. After that, enter the key and you get back to piano Roblox, and you just need to press F4 in order to play the prompt that you just entered in order to autoplay it on your Roblox. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to autoplay in Roblox very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.